Hey guys, so next weekend is the last weekend. The park closes for the season. We didn't make it up here last weekend. I ended up in the hospital again because, you know, my heart's stupid. Well, actually I'm stupid and make my heart do stupid things. So didn't really do anything. We went into town yesterday. Our row had a block party. It was pretty good, a nice big potluck and all that stuff. So today, just kind of relaxing a little bit, and Piper and I are just kind of cruising around the park and looking at some of the colors. They're starting to change, but you know, it's going to be almost 90 degrees here again today, so Piper should, you know, she wants to, she can actually go swimming. It's October 4th or 5th. It's October something or other. So yeah, I mean, summer now goes almost to halfway through October now, so we're in our Indian summer, and it's actually warmer this weekend than last weekend, and the weekend before that, which was our meetup. So yeah, anyway, so we're over here by the water. Piper wanted to go see the Canadian geese, and they're over in the property behind us now. So but yeah, anyway, so what we're gonna do now is just kind of go cruise around a little bit, and maybe we'll get the drone out. I've only flown it once this year. I haven't really been doing it much, so yeah, I figure maybe we'll get that out too and fly. I mean, there's some colors, but as you can see behind me, there's none of the bright colors. It's kind of just went from greens to browns to
mostly
off reds.
The pine cone trees don't get color.
No, they don't. They stay the same all the time. But I think it's just because it's been so hot, the trees just are just, I don't know. I don't know what they're doing, but anyway. All right, we're gonna go see if we can see any fish and whatever else. Oh, and a snapping turtle. She's gonna just chase it away before I get to it.
That I don't put it in the water.
So you got some colors back there towards the office.
Yeah.
Nothing super bright though. Park's really quiet.
Cool.
Yo, yeah. I think I like that better than the other cars. Well, one of the bonuses of a Indian summer, pretty much everyone went home, and Piper can go for a swim. Well, good morning. It's our final day of the season. We put off everything we needed to do to today, so we'll be running around a lot. I gotta get the shed ready, get the golf cart prepped, get everything in the RV packed, closed up, all that good stuff. So in the past, we've always done it just in the one day anyway. So I'd say this is probably the coldest it's been for the last day. Right now I think it's just hit 40 degrees. I don't know. Anyway, figure I'll get started. It's a little after 9 this morning. Piper's still asleep. Betsy's just now starting to move around a little. I've been up for quite a while, so figure I'll get started on the shed first, then start packing everything out of the RV and put everything in the van that needs to go in the van, and then go to inside and start closing it up. keep our fingers crossed. We've had problems with the slide outs in the past, so we'll see. Anyway, yeah, almost 6 months of no camping, so we'll see. For camping season 2026, I'm not sure what we're going to be doing. This should hopefully be gone. We have a couple ideas. We might look at another unit next weekend. There's one just down the road at a dealership by the house, so reasonably priced. I just want to check to make sure if there's any damage or not, because we're thinking of going back to motorized and actually starting to get back on the road again. But we'll still stay here, or we'll keep it downstate and we'll keep this here, and I don't know. Too many decisions and it's too early to think. So anyway, I'm gonna get started and see how much we can get done, and hopefully we can get out of here at a decent time. Golf cart's all charged up. We'll go through, do our maintenance on her, winterizer, and neighbors across have left. There are going to be some new people next year, and the leaves are finally starting to fall, and it feels like fall. So if there's time, I'm gonna get the drone out. I haven't really flown it that much this year. I think we've flown it once only. I haven't been flying it, so maybe I'll get her out for a little bit. If not, we have some museums and parks and stuff we have planned to do for little day trips throughout the winter, and maybe we'll bring it and fly it more often. A lot of times we bring it, I forget about it. So, oh well. Anyway. Alright, we were going to have our last campfire last night. It started getting kind of cold and late, and we decided we'd go in, watch a movie, and I probably was in bed by 11. You know, I mean, I get up early for work anyway, so staying up past any time past 9 is pretty late for me. And Betsy always complains about sleeping in, that we should sleep in more, but if I sleep in past the time I normally get up, that's sleeping in, right? So normally I'm up at 3:30 in the morning, and so if I get up at 7, that's a sleep in. She's used to getting up late because she don't go into work till late. So anyway, all right, if I keep talking, I'm not going to get anything done, so I'm gonna get started. All right, van's packed with all the stuff that needs to go back downstate. Got a bunch of bottle returns. Shed's packed. Golf cart, you can kind of see that she's hidden in there. We must got less stuff this year, because before we used to have to stack stuff up on the roof of the golf cart, and this year we didn't have to. But we did move some stuff around. Our floating ghost head, we found him. Somehow he managed to get out of the shed, and he was behind the shed, so, you know. But, yeah, so normally we have stuff stacked up there, but all good. Golf cart's winterized. Just did the water system, and waiting to get the leaves blown off the top so we can shut the slide out. Piper's having a push pop and watching her shows, and our famous dryer sheets are everywhere. Makes it smell good. Does it work? You know what, we still have mice problems, but at least it smells good. And table's folded up, TV's off, bedroom's packed, Piper room's all closed up. We'll be put the slide outs in soon. This bathroom's ready to go, and this door has to shut when the slide out comes in. So like this morning when I said it was like 40 degrees, it was going to warm up. Well, it warmed up at 69. Might even be higher than that. Let's ask our digital friend over here. Alexa, what's the current temperature?
The current temperature is 68 degrees. It feels like 68 degrees with partly cloudy skies.
So, yeah. And no rain. Oh, we got a bee in here. Yay.
That's right. There's no rain expected today.
Well, yeah.
The forecast shows partly cloudy skies with a low chance of rain.
She's always listening. Anyway, going to finish up a couple more things and close up, go home, and we're done for the season. So I'm not heartbroken about it. So anyways, it's been a great season. Well, I guess it hasn't been. You know, a lot of health issues and other issues, and oh my. So anyway, but I'm gonna end this video. This is it for the camping season at Lake of Dreams Campground 2025. Till next time, happy trails.